Assalamu alaikum. In this video we learn about Surah Ikhlas, Surah Annas, Surah Falaq meaning. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kul huwallahu ahad. Kul huwallahu ahad. Say He is Allah the One. Allahus Samad. Allahus Samad. Allah is eternal and absolute of Him. Lam Yalid. Lam Yalid. None is born. Walam Yulad. Walam Yulad. And nor was he born. Walam Yakun lahu kufuwan ahad. Walam Yakun lahu kufuwan ahad. And there is none like him. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kul a'udhu birabbil falaq. Kul a'udhu birabbil falaq. O Prophet, say, I seek refuge in the Lord of the day of break. O Prophet, say, I seek refuge in the Lord of the day of break. Min sharri ma khalaq. Min sharri ma khalaq. From the evil of whatever He has created. From the evil of whatever He has created. وَمِن شَرِّ غَاسِقٍ إِذَا وَقَبَ. وَمِن شَرِّ غَاسِقٍ إِذَا وَقَبَ. And from the evil of night when grows dark. And from the evil of night when grows dark. وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ. وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ. And from the evil of those which are casting spells by blowing onto knots. And from the evil of those which are casting spells by blowing onto knots. وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ. وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ. And from the evil of an envier when they envy. And from the evil of envier when they envy. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kul a'udhu birabbin nas. Kul a'udhu birabbin nas. I seek refuge in the Lord of mankind. I seek refuge in the Lord of mankind. Malikin nas, the sovereign of mankind. Malikin nas, the sovereign of mankind. Ilahin nas, the God is mankind. Ilahin nas, the God is mankind. Min sharril waswasil khannas. Min sharril waswasil khannas. From the evil of the retreating whisperer. From the evil of the retreating whisperer. Alladhi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas. Alladhi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas. Who whispers evil into the breast of mankind. Who whispers evil into the breast of mankind. Minal jinnati wan nas. Minal jinnati wan nas. From among the jinn and mankind. From among the jinn and mankind. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.